everyone, it's 6:40 in the morning and we have already left the home. Actually I was planned to leave at 6 but आलस बुरी बला है तो मैं नहीं निकल पाया. तो फाइनली 6:40 तो मैं घर से निकला हूँ अभी. We are visiting today at Tansa Lake. I haven't checked it how much kilometers is from my place. I need to look it on Google Map. तो अभी आ गया है हाईवे. इधर से नॉन स्टॉप करेंगे राइड. तो तानसा लेक actually yesterday what happened was my windshield got removed while riding this one. I thought we couldn't do the ride tomorrow because of we don't have number plate. We have our number written on the windshield itself. But fortunately in the night I got all the nuts and bolts, so I fixed it. We are ready to go now. क्या है, सैटरडे को भी ऐसा तुम लोग करेंगे ना घर भी इधर. घर से बाहर नहीं निकलेगा मैं बता रहा. हाँ
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
तो अभी अपन रुकते हैं होटल शिवसागर में नाश्ता करने के लिए. हमने मंगाया मसाला डोसा मेदू वड़ा. ये खा के मस्त पेट पूजा करके फिर तानसा लेक. ऑफ-रोड राइड है.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing.
This is the Tansa Lake, but they are not allowing us to get inside, so we need to find another way. Let's see if we get something.
Around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on
What the fuck? We did some off-road over here.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the
Overall, I would say it's a nice place. अच्छा है, मतलब शांत एकदम जंगल. अरे ओवरऑल पीछे पूरा ऐसा पानी, ये साइड पे पूरा जंगल है, देख सकते हो. सो विजिट करो, लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब कर दो. कर दो ना सब्सक्राइब, उसमें क्या है, क्या करते. चलो आज के लिए
hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us in